Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this awesome Play-Doh playset from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. This is the Treasure Creations. So let me show you everything we got in the box. One mold for a dolphin, one mold for TikTok croc, a sword, treasure chest, a cannon where we can press and also mold the golden coins. And the coins will have different shapes. This is a stamper for easy. We can cut with this croc. And one more stamper for Jake. We also got 3 cans of Play-Doh. Golden Play-Doh, it sparkles, blue Play-Doh, and red. Now let's start molding. First we're gonna make a mold of Jake using blue Play-Doh. Press really good. And it's done. Let's use a little knife just to remove the excess Play-Doh. This Jake looks awesome. I think he should help Mater on the ship.
All hands on deck! Ahoy, mate! I'm Jake the Pirate!
And I am Tom Mater, at your service.
Oh, I think the TikTok croc is nearby.
That's right, it's time to mold the TikTok croc.
Post a lookout at the crow's nest.
Let's make a mold of Easy using red Play-Doh. Press it really good. Let's use a little knife to remove the extra Play-Doh. And she's done. Time to use this cannon. For that, we need Jake's sword. Let's change the setting. We're gonna make an axe. Now we're gonna make a square. And a circle. Using the golden Play-Doh, we're gonna make our treasure. Wow, this is awesome. Well, let's not forget to make the golden coins. And for this, we're also gonna use golden Play-Doh. Cool, let's make some more.
Let's sail the never sea.
Now here's our dolphin made out of blue Play-Doh. The sounds and phrases you heard on this video came from Jake's musical pirate ship. We also had a special appearance from Mater the pirate. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.